in the world is going on here? What is that noise? What in the world? Hey, PeaRoy! 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 What in the world's going on here?
PeaRoy! PeaRoy! What? PeaRoy! You can't play that music that loud, man.
Well,
I heard that music when I turned the corner to come up my driveway, man. Come on. Look here. Why are you dressed like that? Wait a minute. Before you answer. Look, I got neighbors. Okay? I know they're a mile away. So I know you probably don't think you're disturbing them. I know. You're playing my music. That's good. I appreciate that.
Well, I guess it was a
But you can't play it that loud.
Well, I got my girlfriend coming up. Well, I'm dressed up because I got my girlfriend coming over, and that comes off of her. Hang on. I got to look good because my girlfriend coming. Melinda.
Say what? Let me get this straight, PeaRoy. You're dating Carl's girlfriend and he doesn't know it?
Yeah, Melinda.
Brother, you are crazier than I thought you was.
Well, she's been coming over seeing me instead of Carl. Carl don't know about it. You don't think that's a good thing? Well, it might not be. I don't know. Well, me and him are pretty good friends, you know.
Now, he ain't that good a friend, I'm gonna tell you. You better be careful, buddy.
I was gonna get Melinda over here, and we was going to do some karaoke. That's how come. Well, I'm dressed up real nice.
Karaoke.
Oh, you coming over here? Oh, you look good.
But do me a favor.
Yeah.
Why don't you bring them inside like normal people do and set it up somewhere in here and listen to the music inside instead of outside?
Well, all right. I'll bring it all inside here, and we'll set it up inside. That's all right.
Just keep it down, all right?
Well, all right, Mr. Rick. I won't try to disturb you no more. I'm sorry that happened.
You better be careful, buddy.
All right, then.
Oh, he's done it this time. What in the world is all that noise? I cannot believe this. Where is all that coming from? That's PeaRoy. My goodness, PeaRoy, what in the world? Oh, man. Carl is going to kill this man.